Welcome to this presentation on electro-oxidative S-sulfoxygenation of sulfonamide, a metal catalyst-free green approach. This research was conducted by Ganesh Chandra Nandi et al. And published in 15th January 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Organe sulfur compounds are crucial in various scientific and industrial fields, with many FDA approved drugs containing sulfur atoms. Sulfoxamines, as ASA analogues of sulfones, are gaining attention in medicinal and synthetic chemistry due to their unique physiochemical properties. While sulfonamides SiI compounds are reactive precursors, methods for their conversion to valuable SVI compounds often employ metal catalysts or oxidants and can be time consuming. The study developed a metal dot catalyst free electro-oxidative method for the sulfoxygenation of sulfonamides with sulfoxamines. Optimization studies were conducted using various solvents, catalysts CuBr2, NiCl2, FeOAC2, PDBr2, and oxidants NCS. Photochemical reactions were explored using blue LEDs and photocatalysts like rose bengal and eosin Y. The optimized electrooxidative conditions involved an undivided cell with carbon anode and platinum cathode in acetonitrile at 5 mA. Initial attempts to react sulfonamide 1A with sulfoxamine 2A without a catalyst were unsuccessful. The use of CuBr2 yielded 75 of the product, but the goal was a metal-free process. NCS provided moderate to good yields, but led to separation issues. Photochemical reactions with eosin Y gave 89 yield. The optimized electro-oxidative conditions in acetonitrile with a carbon anode and platinum cathode at 5 mA achieved 93 yield of product 3A without supporting electrolyte, catalyst, or oxidant. The developed electro-oxidative approach offers a sustainable and efficient method for synthesizing sulfosamine-based sulfonamides. Its key advantages include metal and catalyst-free conditions, high atom economy 99.5, absence of supporting electrolytes, and short reaction times. The protocol exhibits wider substrate tolerance compared to previous methods, accommodating diverse functional groups and even drug molecules. A novel metal dot catalyst free and green approach for the sulfoxygenation of sulfonamides to synthesize sulfoxamine based sulfonamides has been successfully developed using electrochemistry. This method is fast, high yielding, atom economical, and broad substrate tolerant, avoiding supporting electrolytes. The protocol is also effective via a photochemical pathway using eosin Y as a photocatalyst. Mechanistic investigations support a radical pathway.